We just took in a 2021 Thor Chateau 22E. This is a 24-foot no-slide Class C with the new 7.3-liter V8 Godzilla engine from Ford. Let's go give it a tour. Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Pedata RV Center in Tucson, Arizona, and we're going to look at something pretty darn close to new. It's a 2021 Thor Chateau 22E. This is a 24-foot no-slide Class C. It's got a corner bed floor plan with the overhead bunk, a good-sized storage in the back, a decent little starter unit if you ask me, but we're going to give it a full exterior tour, then we'll jump up inside and see what that has to offer. Now up front we got some hand cooks. These are dated 0920. Your tire size 225/75 R16s, and as I said earlier, we do have the 7.3-liter V8 Ford engine, 350 horse. So they're slowly replacing that V10 Triton, going to those V8s, give you a little bit better fuel mileage. All right, so as you can see, we have a full length awning. I'll put the exact length on the screen, and there is an LED strip under there. You got your entry door. Propane tank's a little dirty. We just took this coach in yesterday and haven't even cleaned it, but minus the propane tank, we really didn't have to. I don't see the capacity on there. We'll double check. Probably around 12, I would assume. Beautiful graphics, the black and the blue ones. Nothing looks to be, torn or ripped or cracking or anything like that. Back of the fridge right there, a couple windows. This main storage is really the only one you have. It's 50 cubic feet of exterior storage. And then behind that, we do have another window, which is actually your emergency exit window above that corner bed. Dualies in the back as usual, exhaust right there. We do have a backup camera, no side vision on this coach. And being a little bit newer, we have an 8K hitch on the back with, of course, your 7-pin. And there is a ladder to go up to the top. So let's go see how that looks. All right, here we are, whole bunch of skylights. Little vent for the bedroom, vent for the kitchen galley area, main AC, another vent up there for the overhead bunk, satellite system, massive awning, solar hookups right there. There is already a solar controller, so you can mount a solar panel there if you want. Sorry about that sun glare, I'll try to get out of it. City water connection, sanitization flush, 30 amp power cord, fuel fill, dump station. It's gonna get a little noisy here with the generator running. TV connection, outdoor shower, furnace exhaust, 6-gallon water heater, 4,000 watt gas, Cummins own generator, and your fresh water fill right there. 350 chassis. And that's about it. Let's go check out the inside. Does have a screen door. That does close. Right when we walk in, down below we have, there we go, one battery down below. One of the options was 2 batteries, believe it or not, but this is only one. That's hard to do with one hand. There's that solar controller, battery disconnect, light and awning controls. All right, this is what we see right when we walk in. You're greeted with a dinette, closet, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, and of course, the front area with the overhead bunk. Cloth seats in this 350 cab. 4,930 miles on the odometer. There's nothing really to say. It's a standard E-Series cab. The cloth's in good condition, no crazy stains or anything. And then your engine is right there, so it is still a little loud when you're driving. Looks like you've got USB-C and a couple regular USBs for charging, which is nice. Overhead bunk. You can see all the way back there, there is a couple cup holders, a little cubby. This pad will lift up and push that way if you want to give yourself a little bit more headroom going into the cab. TV is on like a little bit of a slide, so you can bring it towards you in the dinette. If you are sitting there, don't expect to watch TV. 800-pound capacity on this overhead bunk. Pretty excessive. You can fit 2 full adults, 3 adults up here if you really wanted to, and you'll be just fine on weight. AC direct on unit, non-ducted, but let me tell you, it works great. Cooled down, it's like 103 here in Tucson, so it's cooled down pretty well. Booth dinette that does turn into a sleeper. Just got to undo the hook, drop it down, push all the cushions, you're good to go. Cushions, 2 seat belts there, 2 seat belts there. Now we're selling this for $59,995. Here's some of the basic info on it, and then more of those specifications. I tried to highlight all the options. The only option was the solar charger. It doesn't have the panel, but it does have the solar charger. It just didn't have many things available for this coach in this size. As you can see, they had a lot of other models in the exact same year range. Now, right above the dinette, we do have some overhead compartments. As usual, they are all connected. Charging station with the little, cubby area for the remote. You only got one drawer on the dinette. As you can see, it's right there. I pushed the seat belts in there earlier to do my sleeping area video. And then your kitchen, lacking a little bit of counter space. They do give you a leaf, and they give you a, cover for the sink, so you can use that as additional, as well as the glass stove top, which you could also use as additional counter space if you need to. I initially thought this was an oven, because that looks like it's an oven, no glass door, but it is just a regular drawer. And so is the one down below. Got to turn on the LEDs. Greystone microwave. Looks like it's a standard microwave, non-convection, so no way to bake. And then we got a little bit of storage to the left with the power outlet for that microwave. Some storage above for them tall people. And then, of course, the fridge, Dometic 3-way fridge and freezer. Does also have some storage right down below the fridge. Not as deep as you would think, but good size storage. Good for gallon size things. Corner bed in between a full and a queen. I'll put the exact size on screen if I can find it. And then little cubby with charging there, just a cubby up there. Connected cabinets all the way down, should be all the way to there too. Furnace, light control. And your actual, there's no thermostat, so like I said earlier, controls direct on unit for the AC. Closet right in front of us. You actually get a decent sized closet. I wish there was a light in there, maybe something I would add. Furnace. And drawer. And then this is not a storage compartment. Little hold, metal hold or magnetic hold for the bathroom door. Slightly tilted toilet. Single sink. A little bit of cabinetry. And then 18 by 3, 20 by 3. I'll put the size of that pan on screen. Little fan in there too. Pretty standard bathroom for these corner bed floor plans. They really can't do too much to the overall floor plan. And normally I would show you what this thing looks like with the slides in, but there are no slide outs. So literally you're always traveling like this. So it's all pretty accessible at all times. So like I said, $59,995 is our selling price. This is here at Pedata RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. My name's Taylor Quayle. I'll put all my contact info on the screen. If you're interested in this coach, you're welcome to reach out to me. You'll have my cell phone and my email. We are also Carfax certified, so I can shoot you one of those. But thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. And I hope you guys have a great day.